Hi and welcome back to another quick guide. Today, I'll teach you how to crop pictures on Android. Cropping pictures on Android is a quick way to remove unwanted areas and focus on most important part of your photo. Whether you're preparing an image for social media or just cleaning up the background, the built-in editing tools make it simple. In this guide, you'll learn how to crop pictures easily using your mobile phone. First, open the Gallery app or Google Photos. Then open the gallery where the photo you want to crop to was located at. Find and tap the picture you want to crop. Tap the edit button, usually a pencil icon. Select the crop tool from the editing options. A cropping frame will appear around the image. Drag the corners inward to remove unwanted areas. Adjust the sides even further to fine-tune the crop. Move the image inside the frame if needed. Choose a preset ratio like 1.1, 16.9, etc. if available. You can also rotate the image if necessary using the rotate option. Check the preview to make sure it looks right. Tap Done or Apply to confirm the crop. View your cropped image in your gallery. Tip: use Save Copy to keep the original photo in case you want to edit it again later. And that's all for now, folks. Thank you for watching.